Hello everyone, welcome back. We're flying still, thank goodness. We love flying. I've been missing flying, especially my helis. Love helis. Whoa, look what kind of experiment we have today. I get talking too much sometimes, guys. I have never had this thing above what book recommends on stunt 2, which I think is 60 or 65%. Today we are going 80%. I'm not sure what that equates to in head speed. I don't know. I'll do the math on it when I get home maybe, and then I'll put it in the description. I'll try to. Okay guys, let's see how this goes. This is still kind of another test to see if the GoPro works on the ground and if you guys can actually see anything when I'm in the air. So let's adjust it back just a little bit more. There we go. Hopefully that's good. Okay guys, you ready? Let's do this. 80%. I'm nervous. Normal mode I got at 50. Stunt 1's at 65. Stunt 2, 80. So there's 50. Normal mode. 50% motor. Feels pretty good. 65 right there. That's what I usually fly on. Feels really crisp, really controlled. Should we try 80, guys? Here we go. Let's go 80. 1, 2, 3, 80. Oh, no we're not. No we're not. Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Let's try again. Ready? No, we're not going 80. Wow. What would cause that, guys? Oh. I did not like 80%, guys. We're gonna have to stick at 65%. It flies really good here, but I'd like to figure out. Didn't mean to do that. Got like an air pocket or something. Yeah, that was crazy, guys. That has a tremendous amount of wobble to it when I go into 80% stunt 2. I do not like it. I like that. Guys, this heli's a blast. I love it. I was gonna say let's do some skid skipping touch and goes. There's a bush in the runway. I gotta watch out for it. Whee! Wow, I took off really hard, guys. I took off really hard at the end. I pulled back. I kind of think I just hit my tail on the runway. I heard something hit the runway. That was incredible. Okay, note to self, when you're doing those. Woo, there was that bush. Did you guys see that? Oh man, I almost tripped myself. All right. Guys, this blade, awesome. The 330S, I'm sure, is just as awesome. I'm sure of it. Well, I'm not sure of it. I don't have one, but soon we'll get one. We'll try it out, and then we'll be sure of it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I hope you guys can hear those blades on the camera. This sounds so good. Oops, I didn't mean to kiss the runway there. Anyway, I'm coming in for a landing, guys. Let's take a moment to enjoy the 330 for a second. Such a good heli. There was no 80% though. That was a fail. That was a fail on the 80% throttle, guys. I hope that looks really cool. Oh, I think it looks awesome on camera, or in real life anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I gotta figure out what's going on with my wobble there. That was crazy. If anybody has any ideas, West Hobbies RC, I hope you're watching, man. Give me an idea on what the heck that was, because I have tracked, I have balanced, I have checked linkages. Do you think it might just be my PI&D settings? Gains? I don't know. Let me know something in the comments. Please, thanks. See you later. Bye. Comment, or not comment, really. Subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Lots more coming.